Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your HDFC credit card online. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, keep your HDFC credit card, registered mobile number, and a stable internet connection ready. Check that your phone can receive SMS because you may need an OTP for verification. Look at the sticker or welcome letter to confirm the last 4 digits of the card you are activating. Open your phone browser or computer browser and go to the official HDFC Bank website. On the homepage, find the Cards section and select Credit Cards. Scroll until you see an option like Card Activation, Activate Card, or First Time Use. Click the Activation option and wait for the secure page to load fully. Enter your credit card number carefully without spaces if the form requires it. Fill in your date of birth exactly as per bank records to avoid validation errors. Type your registered mobile number and double-check every digit. Tap on Get OTP or Generate OTP to receive a one-time password. Open the SMS on your phone and note the OTP immediately. Return to the activation page and enter the OTP within the time limit. Press Submit or Verify to complete the identity confirmation step. If asked, create or confirm your credit card PIN for ATM and POS transactions. Choose a 4-digit PIN that you can remember, but others cannot easily guess. Re-enter the PIN to confirm and save it as instructed on the screen. If the website redirects you to net banking, log in with your customer ID and password. In net banking, go to Cards and then select the specific credit card. Choose the option to activate card or enable card for transactions. Turn on the settings you need, such as domestic, international, online, or contactless usage. Set your transaction limits if the portal provides a limit control screen. Save the changes and wait for the confirmation message on the portal. Also check your SMS inbox for an activation confirmation from HDFC Bank. Now open the My Cards or HDFC Bank mobile app if you want to manage card controls easily. In the app, sign in and confirm the same card status shows as active. Do a small safe test purchase or check balance options to ensure the card works properly. If activation fails, contact HDFC customer care from the official website and keep your card details ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.